Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make homemade ginger and garlic paste. You can preserve in the fridge for up to 6 months and the color will not change, the taste will not change. So I'm going to get started now. And here I've got the garlic as a whole, just soak them in water, it makes it easier to peel off the skin. And ginger, I used a peeler to take up the skin and chop them into small pieces, and that makes it easier to blend. So I've got the equal quantity of ginger and garlic. If you want to add more ginger, less garlic, it's up to you, or more garlic, less ginger. You can do it either way. So firstly I'm going to put them in the blender. So firstly I put the ginger in and then the garlic. And now I'm going to add the main ingredients in. I'm going to add salt, turmeric powder and oil. Just going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. And you must add turmeric powder to store in the fridge. And turmeric has antibacterial. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. And oil to keep it fresh. So I added the oil, is about 4 to 5 tablespoons. That is ready actually, but I'm just going to make it more smooth. So I'm just going to pulse it for another few seconds. And now I'm going to use one of this jar. I've recycled, washed and cleaned and dried. Make sure it's completely dried. And now I'm also going to add some more oil on top. That will prevent the air to go in. So each time you use it, make sure you use a dry spoon. And now I'm also going to show you how you can store in the freezer for as long as you want. You can put it into tablespoons or teaspoons according to your need. You can also use an ice cube tray and cover it, put it in the freezer. And I'm going to also show you, you can also do it this way, put it in the tray and make it into ice cubes. And then store it in the Ziploc bag for as long as you want. So now once it's become frozen, you can use a butter knife to scrape off. And keep it inside the freezer bag. And to store in the freezer, you don't need to add any oil or salt or turmeric powder. You can only blend it with water. If you wet the garlic, it makes it much easier to peel off the skin. You can leave it in the water, cold water, make sure it's cold water. You can leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, or you can do it straight away, even it makes it easier. And this whole garlic I'm going to store in one of these container in the freezer, so you can keep it for as long as you want. The whole ones you can just remove it and then wash it with cold water and slice them easily and fry it for any recipes like dal and any other recipes you need. So after making it frozen, I kept it out for a few minutes and now it's easier to take it off. And here it is, the ginger and garlic paste is ready to store. And this is, you can keep it for up to 6 months. Make sure you do add turmeric powder, salt and oil in it. And when you make them on the tray, you can place a cling film on it, so it'll be easy to remove. And this is it. I hope you guys liked the video. Please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye.